We noticed a lot of viewers have been wondering where our Spanish subtitles are. We stopped doing them the way we used to do them because they cost money and it's very expensive. But YouTube auto generates subtitles in almost every language, including Spanish. If you will just follow the instructions in this video here, you can see how to do it. You can auto translate any video into Spanish just by going into your settings and choosing the auto translate function.
Almost Pablo almost close. I can broke my feet.
How?
When we moved the boat,
Mm-hmm.
he pushed and the boat went and fell in my feet. And there was a tree part. The tree helping me, but still I feel the red hot blood in my feet.
Oh no.
And my hand was mashed. Like not hurt because it was a tree, but still it was painful. Okay, like that one.
Mm-hmm. Today's Gabriel's birthday, and we are going fishing for the first time on the lagoon in our little boat. How do you feel? Little big boat. It's not gigantic, but it's very, very heavy.
Yeah, it's hard for one person. Okay, I want in reverse. It's gonna be hard to.
Okay, we're gonna go up backwards all the way down.
Yeah. This is one.
Road.
It looks cloudy, but it's very huge.
Yeah, it's very hot here.
Like
It's supposed to get up to 114 degrees one day this week.
I get it hot.
Yeah, it's hot driving so slow. And that wind can't come through.
But also we have this sun. A bunch of boats.
Let me get out.
Yeah. What we need to know how glass or anything done.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I've just got bit by 2 ants. I would probably stop about right there.
There?
That's just my opinion. I don't know, you can look at it and see what you think.
Everything is done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's very short shell.
Did you bring the paddles?
Yeah.
Okay. Testing it for holes now before I get in and we sink to the bottom. I can swim, but my phone can't.
Okay, I was thinking not gonna work, but it's work. If we do it so. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wash and be.
Now do the spider check for me.
Yeah. I'm good. I am professional fisherman.
You are a professional boater so far. We're gonna see if you're a professional fisherman.
Okay. So far, everything no leaking.
It's
in
floating
water.
backwards again.
Yeah, I need to take it out a little.
Here, push it up and I'll try to.
Thank you. Okay. Put down this stuff and I won't clean.
It's going back again.
Bring a big back. Probably I have a shirt or something, a little look at the truck. Something,
Okay, I will.
something like I can dry.
Yeah, they keep.
It's the red one.
Yeah, they're hurting me every time I stand still. They get on my ankles.
Okay, that's not.
Very, very smart idea.
Huh?
You said we make it be like Arkansas?
Yeah. I am excited today. Finally, after long time, try
Yes.
convince her and my beautiful, sexy wife. Let's go fishing. We had the boat, and she refused. She refused.
I love to go fishing, but I was just scared to go fishing in the boat out here. But I grew up fishing, so don't make it sound like I don't like fishing.
But finally, I convinced her. She just tried overthinking, but I don't get it hurt because the boat is too
Yeah.
hard and I don't have nobody to helping me.
And as you can see, he just did it by himself. And
Yeah, and yesterday I put it on top of the truck, but somebody helping me and that person get it hurt. I get it hurt. Almost I broke my feet.
Yeah.
I just get a little mash. Just was the pain, but I am glad nothing bad happened. But I did it. So finally, after we had the boat, almost 2 years.
no, about a
Year and a half.
year.
Over
Year. Because you got it when you picked me up from the airport.
Okay, we have for a year, and first time we going to use it. I already testing, so it's work. I've been planning for a long time. The another side, that is another side. I was planning to take a couple miles another side by the lagoon. I was planning to take it somewhere else. It's another community, but I am glad I find the one area where I can park in the truck and like what I did today. Just now in the community we live in. So I am very happy. Today is my birthday and
Happy birthday!
I am the happy the birthday boy, and I am excited because finally we're going to fishing. Today is my birthday and everything worked so far. So let's go to fishing.
And
Ready?
we didn't catch anything in the ocean, but
Oh,
we're gonna
we-
catch something.
We went
today.
another day.
So, for sure.
If you saw the another video, we went to fishing another day. to the ocean, but we don't get it, nothing, just dirt.
Just seaweed.
And seaweed, and it's
Yeah.
scary because right now is temporarily, but a snail and another
Yeah, it was
insect.
really creepy.
Yeah, and after that, and the next day we come into the lagoon. Is where I find the dive spot here. Like I can park in the truck, everything. We try fishing here, but it's not. No, it's not. It's we cannot fishing because every time I drop it, the
Oh, it's too shallow.
But
There's a lot of weeds under,
Yeah,
like
and-
this grass stuff.
so it's hard. So I want to go fishing a little deep, so I can just fishing, dropping my string and fail. But she don't like it. She
I
love.
like to cast.
Yeah, I don't. Me it's like I don't like it. That it's too much technology for me. I just like it, boing, and drop it there and bring it back.
Well, we'll see.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. Let's go fishing. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, let me fix your play.
Okay. I'm waiting for you now.
Okay, now it's my turn. I'm gonna push you to water. So make it like get it your spine, get it your one. Ready?
Get my what?
Huh? One
My
this thing
oar?
for pushing the ball.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bye, baby. Ready?
You better not take me too far.
I was thinking pushing you away, but
Yeah, if you push me, how are you gonna get in?
Yeah. I forget about me.
And we gotta remember how to
Remember what I doing? You.
yeah, I have to do it this way and you do it that way.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now.
Don't tilt me.
It's because I help you. Oh, okay. I can do it from here.
We're gonna go right through the lily pads. I'm trying to record at the same time, so it's a little difficult.
Yeah, that was the good area for cross there.
Yeah.
Now we are stuck.
Okay, we can get out of here.
But let me. I know what I want to do. Okay.
There you go.
I don't want to do that.
We may have to back up and go and go the other way. Okay, there we go. Now we're going. I'm glad you brought those long sticks.
I saw the guy doing it. But I mean, it's difficult to hold this thing go down.
And in the old days,
Oh yeah, I know that.
like they ferried them across on a
Yeah.
flat bottom, like piece of wood.
Mm-hmm. Tell me where is a good spot.
Anywhere, is that right? You can try anywhere, and then we can go out a little farther. And
Here still is gonna be a bunch of the seaweed under. We need to go more over.
hey, yours is already
Okay.
ready, so you can do that.
I like it like that. Just drop it there.
You guys try to cast at least a couple times while you're out here. And if you don't leave it still,
Okay, I did.
okay, I guess that counts.
When you drop it, look, it's coming to me, but suppose the water go that direction. Or where it go the water? Look, it's coming to me.
Um, I don't know.
Tomorrow is gonna be Mother's Day. You
Yeah,
can send it tomorrow the video.
Tomorrow's my Mother's Day in the United States, and yesterday was Mother's Day in Mexico.
Let me show the tin roof I did it for you.
Yeah.
No,
It's holding up. It's a little windy, but it's still holding up, and I'm mostly in the shade, so it's perfect. And I also brought an umbrella just in case, not for the rain, but for the sun. And
what you doing today?
we're very, very far. I'm like looking, it's like little.
Let me show you, Mom.
Don't get the phone too close to the water.
Okay, it's far to see. Oh no, it's far.
Yeah, you can't even see it now. We're
No,
like
that
way far
direction.
away.
Yeah, and we're fishing today. And what you doing?
And I'm enjoying myself. I'm actually
Okay.
outside. I don't go outside much because it's just been so hot. So I just stay inside our studio and work on the computer and do stuff in there. And I don't even see the sun ever, hardly, except when I go outside maybe to turn the gas on to do the dryer or the stove. And that's it. So this is really nice. It makes me kind of feel like a little bit like we're in Arkansas at Grease Ferry Lake or something.
You know, I know you being in this kind of situation like very hard for you. You know, being outside, you looking for work, even you happy there, not going nowhere else. But still, for work, it's can driving you crazy.
Yeah,
for a
most
little,
people, but
yeah.
for someone like me,
But you
I'm
know,
a
no
little
matter.
more used to staying
Yeah,
inside.
but no matter what, you don't see it, but it's being hit you. Because you know go out, you know go do walk, you know go to the river, you know go different places.
Like we used to all
yeah,
the time.
you know you can manage beings and for walk because you have so many things to do. But it's coming the moment you start getting tired.
Yeah.
Start getting tired. You don't know why. You in that moment you asking, I don't know why. But the thing is, it's because you know go outside.
You need a change of scenery, no matter. Even if you enjoy being inside all the time, we weren't meant to be inside all the time. We were meant to get out and enjoy God's creation instead of sitting in, playing on the computer, playing video games, or watching TV. And it's really therapeutic, and it helps people with like mental depression and things like that. Of course, they don't believe in depression here in Mexico, but you know, it's definitely a thing in the United States, unfortunately. But yeah. It's just good for your health, mental health, emotional health, everything.
And when we went to the ocean, we don't enjoy. It was a little hard.
Yeah,
you know,
it was.
Everybody loved to go to the ocean, but we don't enjoy that area there.
No, not that area. It just was too. It was really dirty. The water, like, you know, there's parts of the ocean that are cleaner than the others, and like the one that we like is the clear, you know, the special kind of water. I don't like that murky. I mean, even this right here, I won't swim in this. He swims in this. We've got video of him swimming across this lagoon, and I think he's crazy because there are crocodiles out here. Apparently, I've never seen one, and you know, maybe we'll catch one. You know, crocodile is good.
Yeah, look, we are in another community close.
Oh, yeah.
I cannot believe it. We are close, and look, we already close to.
Yeah, wow, we are far.
Wow.
Okay, so over there is where we go usually to swim, or the kids to swim, and you swim across the lagoon.
Yeah.
That's the little out thing, or whatever it's called. Okay, this is really cool. I'm enjoying myself. Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah, I try to tell you I want to do this thing, and finally we decided go to another place far away, and we think there is gonna be easy.
Yeah.
I know you try to not let me get hurt to carry the boat. That way you want go somewhere else. There it's gonna be more easy. Just drop it for fishing.
But
and
I've never fished in the ocean before, and I just wanted to see what it was like to fish in the ocean. But that wasn't a very good experience, so we'll have to try again some other time
in another
a different area.
Different area.
Yeah.
And the no was like what we expecting. And
then the main thing was windy.
Yeah.
Well, that's not the main thing. The main thing was the water was too seaweedy and just.
The another side.
He almost left his shoes.
Yeah,
in
was
the water because this stuff's like sucked
Oh.
his shoes.
Cecilia told me, I told that, and now I believe it when I was a little boy when I went there. So she told me it's a dirt. It's the sand already turned like mixed with dirt, like muddy. You like
Yeah.
here, and the shore is a little sand, but you start walking a little more deep, it's already muddy, and you know
Yeah.
like dirt. So she was telling me that was stick to my feet is muddy mixed with
Okay.
yeah, that why. So that area there is dirty. That no is for swimming or no. So where we went is dirty area. Yeah. So.
But other people were fishing out there. But of
Yeah.
course, those people know how to do it.
How
You know,
to do
they're
it,
used to
do
it,
yeah,
and
it's from that
we
area,
just,
do
you
it.
know, we were just trying whatever, you know, with different poles and gear and stuff.
But definitely that was a bad experience because we enjoyed eating panuchos that day.
Yeah, we got to eat panuchos, and they were very good, and yeah, so
you know, we went to the ocean, and also you went out for
Yes.
first time in 2 or 3 months.
I got to drive somewhere, or not drive, but I got to get out and go somewhere.
Yeah, but how long it's been? You been home like over 2 or 3 months?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah,
More than that.
barely go outside at all.
After you come back went to visit your mom, I don't think so. We went nowhere else.
No, I haven't been
So
in
that
that
was
direction.
January, February, March, April, and May. 4 months.
Wow,
Yeah,
I
we
believe it.
Yeah. So
You know, but it's a good thing I am the kind of person who can handle that for long periods of time. You know, of course, I eventually do feel like I need to get out or I'll go crazy, but a lot of people can't stay inside the house a week, you know, and at least I can last several months without, you know, feeling like I'm losing my mind.
4 months.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's check these bobbers. No bites yet.
I have my, how call it this thing?
Oar.
Huh?
I guess it's like your makeshift oar.
Yeah.
An oar.
We don't need that engine.
No.
I am the engine.
You're the engine, you're the power. Let's see how far we are. Can't even see the truck. We're almost to the grass. We were way over there. The last time when we started fishing, when we first put the lines in the water. And he's rowed us almost all the way over to here. Are you tired yet?
Yeah. I was thinking, wow, I saw this a lot, but it water on me. Okay, here we're gonna find the spot. And we can parking ourselves. Where's the, you feel shake?
Well, I mean, this is not going to work right here
When,
because look, unless
We're going
we're both casting that way.
yeah, we're going casting that way. Just don't want the boat to move.
You're going to get deeper into that, and then
Huh?
just don't want to get too deep into that because then we, you know, have no choice. And even pulling a fish up this way, get stuck in these weeds. Or that's like bamboo. I think it looks like bamboo.
So, you want to shake it?
Yeah, it's good enough.
My butt hurt.
Your butt hurt?
Let's go fish.
Okay, we're gonna try this again in the bamboo area. They say, everybody says this is where all the fish are.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, I can fish here.
Where's the truck? Oh, I see it now. Way behind your head.
I can drop it far because they're not going stuck.
The sweat just dripped in my eye. Well, that was real bad. I'm glad I brought these wipes. So we were out here for a little while, about an hour at least, and we didn't get even a bite. I guess everybody already got all the fish out of this lagoon. But so now it's getting super hot and I'm melting, and he's doing all the rowing work. I did some rowing, but this little is for like a inflatable boat, and it doesn't really work well on this boat. So we're heading back to the truck, and we might come out later this evening and come also with some different bait, because we were using fake bait, and maybe that's what it is. The fish just don't like the fake stuff. So like, the fish are special. They want something good.
Ew.
What do you think?
Yeah, I agree with you. You cannot trick this kind of fish with fake bait.
No. These are Mexican fish. You have to give them real bait. Yeah. Okay, it'll take us, what, 30 minutes to get there probably?
Yeah.
Okay. Right thing. Bunch of cows with our truck. We're gonna dock the boat at. They're making the cows move, so that's a good thing. We're almost there. So how do you feel?
What's recording?
Are your arms gonna fall off?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Those bulls are looking at us.
Mucho calor.
They're like, hurry up and get out so we can get back in. We made it.
Okay. Digo yo a ella que desde que era pequeño me contaban historias, que hay una iglesia, muchas historias. Le digo, pues son cosas, historias de niños que pues, pues no sé, siempre me quedó esa gana de ir para allá, para ahí. Sí, sí. Pero... Mucho